what's up? Riding with Karen D. So, what can I say? This week has been a true roller coaster for your girl. It started out Monday going to auditions and yes, nailing the part and getting the role. More to come with that later, but it's for a new series that will be pitched. So your girl is on the way, and I know this, but as I said, it's been a roller coaster. On Mother's Day of this year, I lost one of my closest friends, a sister. It's not even a friend, a sister, to the horrible C word. We all know what that is. 2 days after she passed, I found out that my closest friend, sister, has been diagnosed with the horrible C word. This week, it was confirmed. Great news about it is stage 1, and it is treatable. And I'm going to walk that walk with her all the way. So I'm going to take you on a journey because there's some great things that I will be bringing to you guys that will be right here on Karen D Being Me. I'm about to start a new journey, and I'm going to bring you guys along with me. So get ready for a wild ride. You will see me. So I take these leaps of faith, and as I conquer what God has already given me, walking right to it. So, yeah. Put your seatbelts on, guys. You all are about to go for a ride with Karen D. Being me. Just wait and see.